Hi, my name is Bharat Selvam Arumugam. I'm doing Masters in Business Information Technology at RMIT University. I chose the MBIT program because I want to build a career that connects business problem with technological solution. My interest is not only in technical tools but also in understanding how the system supports people, process, and organization. The theme of my professional profile is from business problem to scalable system solution. By scalable, I mean the system that are clear, reliable, and able to support business needs as they grow. My career aspiration is to become a system analyst with a business and data focus. This role suits me because it brings together like requirement analysis, system modeling, process implementation, documentation, database thinking, and communication with both technical stakeholders and also business stakeholders. The job advertisement I selected is for the system analysis role at BrandSec. I chose this role because it closely matches the career direction I want to move towards after completing my MBAT program. The role focuses on improving an AI-powered platform used to detect and respond to digital threats such as phishing, scam, and brand impersonation. What interested me most was the system analysis side of the role. The advertisement highlights skills such as workflow analysis, requirement gathering, functional documentation, process modeling, user acceptance, testing, SDLC knowledge, agile and scrum awareness, and stakeholder communication. This skill matters because system analyst needs to understand business needs, identify system gaps, and turn those needs into a clear system requirement. The BrandSec role also mentioned data processing and process modeling, system performance, documentation, and work between operational, product, and development team. This matches my interest in UML, BPMN, database concepts, and system documentation. It also reflects the kind of role where I can use both business understanding and technical awareness to improve how system work. The Sustainable Development Goal I selected is SDG 9 Industry Innovation Infrastructure. I chose SDG 9 because most organizations now depend on reliable digital system. System analysts contribute to this by improving workflow, data flow, documentation, and how technology is used in the organization. In the BrandSec role, this is especially relevant because the platform supports digital threat detection and response. A platform like that needs clear workflow, accurate data movement, and strong documentation and continuous improvement. For my future career, SDG 9 reminds me that system analyst is not just about fixing short-term problem, it is also about helping organization build systems that are reliable, usable, and able to support innovation over time. The program I have selected is my Malaysian Airlines UML System Analysis assignment from semester 1. I chose this because it directly connects to system analyst work. In this assignment, I had to understand a business scenario and turn it into a structured UML model. I created diagram including a use case diagram and a state machine diagram, where the use case diagram helps shows the system requirement and how the user interacts with the system, where the state machine diagram shows the different states based on the user action and system response. The main learning from this was that system analysis is not just about drawing diagrams, it's about understanding a business situation clearly enough to turn it into a useful system documentation. One challenge I faced was turning an unclear business scenario into a structured model. At first, it was easier to list the system functions, but harder to show that the functions connect logical. Through UML modeling, I improved my ability to identify requirements, organize system behavior, and communicate system logics more clearly. This connects directly to the BrandSec role because the job advertisement asks for workflow analysis, process modeling, structured documentation, translating business needs into system solution. And the ISYS 33033 helped me become more work ready because it moved my learning closer to professional practice. The course required me to think about real business problems, stakeholder requirements, project outcomes, and professional communication. One important experience was the business IT project where my team worked on a digital transition journey related to the transition of students from OSHC to OEHC health cover. This project helped me understand how a business problem can involve unclear user journey, service gap, and different stakeholder needs. From a system analyst perspective, this was useful because it required process thinking. I had to consider where users may become confused, what information they need, and how a digital journey or dashboard could make the process clear. ISYS 3303 also helped me improve my communication. In a workplace, technical knowledge alone is not enough. I need to explain ideas clearly, justify recommendation, and communicate with stakeholders professionally. Two other courses that are strongly contributing to my work readiness are system analysis and design and database design and development. System analysis and design gave me a foundation in requirement analysis, UML modeling, system behavior, and documentation. This is directly relevant to the system analysis role because clear documentation helps business users, developers, testers, and project teams understand the same requirement. Database design and development strengthened my technical understanding. In this course, I worked with ERD, relational model, normalization, workflow, and SQL scripts. This helps me understand how data is structured, stored, and retrieved inside business systems. For a system analyst, knowledge is important because many system issues involve data quality, reporting, data flows, and integration. Even if I am not working as a database engineer, this knowledge helps me communicate better with technical teams and understand how system decision affects business outcome. My previous experience as a Java developer also supports this direction. It gives me a practical understanding of programming logic, debugging, and how software is implemented. Through MBIT, my focus has shifted from only developing softwares to analyze business needs, model requirement, helping design better system solution. One of my strengths is that I can connect business problem with technical thinking. I am comfortable with diagrams, system models, SQL concepts, and structured documentation. But I also understand that system must solve real users and business needs. A challenge I'm still working on is explaining technical ideas in a simple and confident way. I also want to improve my practical exposure to industry tools such as Jira, Agile Delivery Practice, and UAT documentation. For me, being work ready does not mean knowing everything. It means having a strong foundation, learning quickly, and being ready to contribute in a professional environment. To conclude, my professional profile is built around the theme for business problem to scalable system solution. My career aspiration is to become a system analyst with a business and data focus. The BrandSec job advertisement clearly shows me the skill required to be a successful system analyst. My Malaysian Airlines UML analysis also helps me develop the ability to convert business scenario into structured system models and functional requirements. My experience in ISYS 3303, system analysis and design, and database design and development has helped me build a strong foundation in system thinking, data understanding, documentation, communication, and professional reflection. Overall, the MBAT program has helped me move from learning separate technical concepts to understand how this concept supports real business and system improvement. I am now clear about the role I want to pursue and the skill I need to keep developing as I move through towards becoming a professional system analyst. Thank you for watching my professional profile.